Boolean tool. Now, this is quite a useful tool when you have multiple parts. As you can see here, I've got two parts. I've got a cube and I've got this cylinder. The way I created them was I created the cube, I then created the cylinder, but when I went and used the extrude tool here, I went new rather than add. Okay, so that gives me a new part over here. Now, in order to show you how the Boolean tool works, I'm just going to click on it, and we have got union. Okay, so say I had some complex geometry, some complex parts, and I needed them to stay as separate parts while I was making it, and then I wanted to join a few together. I could use the union tool. I could click on this one, and you can now see that it has made one single part joined together like so. You're going to undo that and delete that one. You've also got the subtract tool over here. As you can probably guess, there's a tool and a target, and they need to be used in a specific way. So the tool is going to be the thing that is basically taking away from the target part. So let's have this as our tool, and this is going to be the target. So it's going to cut out a section from this cylinder. So we then click on the target there like so, green tick, and you can see it's cut out this section like so. And we are left with just one part, which is this part here. So I'm going to delete this one as well, and then I'll finally show you the intersect. You can probably guess what's going to happen with this. Select one part, select another part, and as you probably guessed, there is the intersection of the two, or the overlapping parts that work. Now, there is something to note: when you use these tools, you can keep them, when you use the different parts, you can keep the tools. So if I click on that, I click on the green tick, and it looks like nothing has changed. Down here, I can then hide these parts like so, and we still have this intersecting section. But if we want to go back and modify things, we obviously can then select these, and we have those there as well. That is a Boolean, very useful in many different situations.